fulfill the plans. At the talk and the voice of Nambere, before now, I come now, for my own intelligence, so I gather them for Nambere. At the talk and the voice of Nambere, and then now, when I talk the voice of Nambere now, before I come now to avoid our fellow fighters, Nambere say it not be safe. Fellow comrades, we know the politics of La Republic, or we will not be a victim of circumstances for that nation. We don't get a politician the way they don't belong to a particular party. They cross the red carpet, they join the other party. We see the way they do with them. We get people the way the country. You don't use that for setting in political cause. He jail people. We don't get people the way they don't sabotage the nation. Sabotage the nation very well. The nation set a small trap. They fall into that trap. They capture them. La Piro de Banga. We know it very well. If the same way, if the same music against La Republic, against Cameroon government, but they be setting a small trap. If fall into that trap, if be fall into that trap, for it will go in for as a mayor, for go in as a mayor. When if be fall into that trap, government say don't fall into that trap. What will happen for you? They hold it tight. So, fellow comrades, the government for La Republic is a fair state. La Republic is a fair state. They define all manner for hook. See, I want to tell you now, fellow comrades, the Kabai for Yaoundé, when I see that all people the way they for Yaoundé, that Kabai, all people, when I see what recently, Cavalier Yege Jebre, it for France is sick. He said the one plan coup d'etat for movie. Il lève hospital bed. Wrong can Cameroon. For take position. For that age, where they almost to go into 90 years. For going to 90 years. Now see I say that government, not be government where he there for the youth. So me Nambere, nothing say when you leave Ambazonian, you run La Republic. After when you don't kill La Republic military, they will leave you safe. I'm not telling you some person be talk say Nambere, now when you don't run camp. They DOA, they be arrested for Batibo. Nambere, you will talk play where they be bury him. Because as of now, the family see cry say they don't know play they be bury their brother. They be tell Nambere say, as I don't drop gun, and now you be one of the fighters when they be do that act. Automatically, you not place where they kill that man. You not place where they bury that man. So, fellow comrades, what do I talk about Nambere? I say, now Nambere, he say don't voice out. He don't come out clean and clear. Say he not be safe on the two sides. Then run go heaven. If you not be come for Ambazonia, you not be go for La Republic. If they need seek asylum for PUNA. They are statement use them. They are statement for asylum for play one seek asylum. Now for them we will use that statement say not be safe. You be safe for La Republic. Not the use we Ambazonia. See, we will not be console with you with Nambere again. We will not be console with Nambere. Nambere, we don't take her enough. We first start for sabotage the government, then you come now, you run go Yaoundé. You show phone there for we. You show phone there for diaspora say you get phone the way diaspora no get them. You make video, make all kind of video. We expect you come back. You can't tell we say you show me where to La Republic no give you the internet government no be give you. The Batibo LG no be give you. The Coupé Manungwa one touch no be give you. We expect all those things they make us show them. But you show me that phone. I want to tell you, say, calculate price of phone. And calculate price for money they be giving you, me go buy materials. Calculate say which one you get money. La Republic will convince you. Then now you the call fighters them. You confuse even picking they don't be fighters. say me they come for Yaoundé, and they can declare themselves, say they be fighters under you, say now you don't call them, then they give you money. Fellow comrades, I want to tell you something. I get intelligence. I want to tell you the intelligence way number the welcome. I want to tell you the intelligence way we don't gather away number the welcome. I will tell you the quarter for Yaoundé, where the guy dey, and a Batibo Pikin. No say number don't be a Batibo no. Now Batibo Pikin, he get people they will Batibo. Number he don't call fighters them. They come Yaoundé, you know say normally for Yaoundé when you come, you say be fighter. Yes, if it is two you do, they will give you like 500,000. Now you they will give you like 500,000. Say me buy Okada. You can ride, you can make your life. Now the rehabilitation center that for La Republic where they keep talking. Now the intelligence you get them. Now the rehabilitation center that for Yaoundé. But we get this one guy where number call he call it they come Batibo, they come up for Batibo, they come. Where they don't be fighters so they talk. So it just say when they tell the cab, they give money for number 500,000. Me number buy machine. They give money number say me number do give them the money. Me they see how they fit do. Number do 80. I said he get neck for money. He take that money buy Okada. Buy Okada, give that guy. He give that guy 70. Then he show his sister. Number his sister they for Yaoundé for a source for Yaoundé. Then he take that guy say me that guy to give balance for that Okada for that sister. That guy don't work for them for 2 or 3 months. He give that money for his sister. Then they can't wise in that guy say no that money where number buy that Okada and money where government give I say me the give as I run fight me the give so that if he start life nothing that way it go on. Number na take that money buy Okada na give that guy say me the give balance for sister say na he. The guy don't work for 2 months, 3 months. That guy do it now. That's why we know we go people that private life. We know we go private life, but I be sorry for tell you one. That guy now the friend number sister, then he stop. We'll give him number that money again. Then the 10 number say, if the number play, he will report, he don't own the Okada. He don't honor. He don't honor. And then now, I tell the reason why number like the shake way. He thinks he like the shake. Number is a cause of his life to be at stake. Number now it be the cause of his life because it don't bring fake amber and plenty. And instead of amber, they be fishing they be illiterate like he. Because they don't come now with Yaoundé now they don't give them number money like general. Because it be general. All that boy they hear for he. When he talk, he end. So what he do now say, they give you money like a general. Because when he call that fake boy they come, he present them now. Say now one of the fighter than this, one of the fighter, you know how the Republic operate. Yeah. They don't give that money now, number on that money for yourself. That boy is almost at 30 life. As I told now so. The boys the way they surrender weapon, number they bring the way they give money, number no one give them. They then now they threaten number life past the military. I asked I said this boy they threaten number life way they don't surrender weapon. Now they when number they call the amber fighter they call it 30 life. Because people the way government give you money, you give them. You don't give them. Then they turn the 30 alive. You sleep now with collapse. You tell the voice paper say you sleep under a bed with the collapse. Every man where you show, you know, it take an away Isiam. I want to say these boys them now them don't turn the amber fighter because you don't bring the cast surrender a weapon. But the weapon the way they surrender only Isiam. So fellow comrades, now number is story that when you take place for Yaoundé. Number be too greedy. For carry level. If you say, when I listen to the audio, where a Congo success talk, he say, if you number, il complain about la République. Moi, il vient bring that audio here. He said, "We number he complain about la République. It means a number be too ungrateful. He said they give number more than what you number action. See, it show you number he not surrender a weapon now because it thinks the revolution will fail. Number surrender a weapon for gift. Number surrender a weapon for gift. Number no surrender a weapon because it thinks the revolution will fail. Number surrender a weapon for promise. As well as the other activists. They surrender their own weapon because their own weapon on social media because of gift, because of promise. Why would you go on my travel see if I will bring that audio? So, fellow comrades, I want to tell I think that audio, I don't format my WhatsApp today. I see. So, fellow comrades, now what is that way it will take place for the revolution? Number life they at stake, not because Amber didn't call you. If they don't surrender weapon sinks. If they don't surrender weapon sinks. If they don't surrender weapon sinks. Now better don't surrender weapon sinks. So who not think say so who not think say now better surrender weapon because it run the war. Who not think say now better surrender weapon because of the war passing. Now better surrender weapon because of promise. The audio the day where success Congo for Nigeria, that buying him for Nigeria where he thinks he passed the revolution and he on time. It started small. He on time the camp. He on time the camp. It there above. You know say number they take care of the small fighters them because it be general. Man the way now he there above number. And then man the way they are above success Congo. Now so it can small. Now so it can small. So fellow comrades, now what that way I want now the story that way I bring that today for tell when I say number the cry and it is cry. The tell the people say in life they at stake. And the tell say and he talk that talk now for the Voice newspaper. And he talk that talk for the Guideline Post. And he talk that talk for Sunrise. And he talk that talk on the Cameroon newspaper. Me go talk that talk for abroad. They will hear you well. Me come out here they go abroad. Talk that talk. Why man go hear well? That talk we say life they at stake. It don't make sense for people with idea. So everything say it go betray the struggle. Everything say it go betray the struggle. For go here they give that promises. Then he be a billionaire. They camouflage it. He come on social media show Samsung waiting iPhone this. Me use iPhone to the cam social media. They have some another fake Amber fight away. Well, they see our social media way in the cam, the fake fight away. Tank cry and the show him. That boy, I want to tell you fellow come that boy is not a fighter. That boy so when I see that boy will know even along that road, the road I told you know. He brain don't shake, he brain me make say one shake. So that guy when he come on social media, he talk say every time to be say Gary this, where be talk say this. That now fake fight, he never ever fight. That boy never ever fight. That boy way he never tank cry. He never ever fight. So now just that he talk the way he talk. Now talk the way so tell you to one be he one be the number me they recognize he. That boy never ever fight. He don't even know nothing like taking I call them 24 hours. We'll take it 24 hours. If I call 24 hours, people don't know 24 hours, you know. You never even know nothing. Will say, Muto this, Meximan did this, Udo she did it. You know nothing. It's like that way. Me, we gather that information on Facebook. If you gather that information on now whether it's a recite and they say it be been a fighter. It's a recite and they say it be been a fighter. That boy was not a fighter. He never ever fight. So now the propaganda that me call na mere call for Yaounde, me give own, me give own gift. Me call na mere because he did Douala make video. He said when I fool, they don't fully. Very soon I was confess. He's never a fighter. He has never been a fighter. So for your comrade, now the story that will number. Then I will go again to talk about Mbandam. Yes. We don't see the recent pictures for Facebook. How they attack Mbandam. I want to tell my boy, they say, that was a good job. A job well done. The voice of Momo, the voice of Moramo, it don't speak back again. Yes, it don't speak back again. Yes, we don't see the couple of months when the ADF Wahala be the worry for Momo. When the ADF Wahala be the worry for Momo, Momo be there, Momo be lie low. Momo be lie low. We don't see now where Momo no rise. They attack Mbandam today. For our site, we record victory for our site. But for that side, even though they are God, they are bad God when they worship them, you rescue them, they get injuries. We don't see them. It is shown I say the boys and they to the tax. Because I talk, especially for Momo, because some fake profile they do with social media where they feel the revolution don't end. Some fake profile they do with this social media, they feel the revolution don't end. Momo never die. Momo never die. Moramo and the Momo in general, he never die. Because even the intelligence they get them, say Mbandam, the bribe commando. But that one, I know we'll concentrate for that one because we never prove them. But I want to tell the people say, if Mbandam bribe commando, another fighters, the day where they pass commando. Now why the way they attack Mbandam seriously? If Tango say na he be the target because he be there inside armor car with the convoy. He be there inside armor car. When I began that information, immediately I call one of our guys for Batibo. He tell me say Mbanda don't fool them more than enough. Mbanda don't fool them more than enough. Una bear with me say Mbandam. Now one of the first parliamentarian where become for this social media declare itself. Say it don't decline as a parliamentarian for Batibo. Now Mbandam. That video is there where population because it has more than 1,000. He tell them say if they will serve the people as well as when the people they talk, it don't hear. So it don't decline as a parliamentarian for Batibo. But now this same Mbandam, in the current military, we convoy for that same people where every time they say, now they be the voice when they don't talk, you don't hear. Now this same Mbandam, in the current people, current military, they can kill people because of power, because of greed. Now this same Mbandam, now the only parliamentarian that we don't exist of Batibo since the birth of XDF. Now this same man, since the birth of XDF, don't exist as parliamentarian for Batibo. I say, this man, what will be problem? He never get the money enough. Banda never get this money enough For the money they give them for the micro project, money where they give them for this. Some are even barrister. Not only not only a parliamentarian is a barrister. So he never gather the money for feed his family enough. For the couple of years of the existence of SDF, now he be the only parliamentarian who Bati Bogo end. Then you don't come to tell me the people don't rise for take their freedom. Ye bandam, he wants stand ye one for deny the people their freedom. For his serving interest for ye and his family. For ye and his family. We don't tell you, so we don't bow knee for Batibo. Anytime where we see you for Batibo, you go know say Ambazonian. Now the people get Ambazonian. Not be individual because of his self-interest and because he get money where he bribe few fighters. Man tell us something. Una tell Banda very well. Una tell Banda very well say if you bribe few fighters for Batibo, you know what bribe fighters for Bali. You know what bribe fighters for Mezan County. Because of it. Before you want pass, you want reach Batibo, you must pass your Bamenda main town. You must pass your Bali before you want reach your Batibo. So me get money for bribe that road go end. No, I tell you so. Because if you get few connection with fighters, it thinks say if he infiltrate our fighters, forget his way for the election, I tell you say that road Bali, Bamenda Bali, because if you pass Bamenda, enter Bali, you enter Batibo. Our fighters they will Bali, they will stop it. Our fighters will Bali will stop it, but that one never go too far. We never reach that level because only the fighters they will Batibo, they don't leave it. Fellow Ambazonians, una watch the video where it was social media now where our population will Batibo. This one, see, this one, in I say, if we want people, they will social media about election. If we want people, they will social media about election. Some people will just say, we take violence for react. We don't watch the population of Batibo for Guzang when they come for Guzang market. Because inside Batibo, Guzang market, now one of the main market. You know how inside Southwest, Kumba market for Kumba. Inside Meme. Now the main market. So inside Batibo, Guzang market. Now the main market. So you una watch the video very well, then una will judge for yourself. The population they denounce the election and they impose ghost town tomorrow Sunday. They denounce the election and then they say, see, fellow comrades, we know the tone they say we clown. When I see the way they react for that video, it pass the way we would react. The man just say, any man show a head for outside. Any man show a head for outside that day for Sunday. But we need to talk about it because we feel them back home. We feel them. But they don't tell we say, any man will show a head for outside. And the population accept. And then that when they finish the video, you hear the murmur. Because when your team finish, you hear the murmur for the population. Whether the murmur and say, this Amber people they overtake too much. The population, even the murmur and say, enough is enough. And the population not the murmur. Say enough is enough. They never bribe them. Say that bribe not too much. They never can bribe them. And the population not the murmur. After when the people don't get that instruction, the end. You see the population that the murmur say, enough is enough. They never bribe them. Those are now what I would say, the voice of the people. Now what I would say, the voice of the people. Now what I would say, the voice of the people. So I want to tell Bandam. Say he don't chop. He come on flop. If he come on flop, me should not be quiet. Me people that are on the quiet. Me not disturb our population of Batibo. Me not disturb the population of Batibo because we will not there for that election stuff. We not there for that Republic stuff. we there for our total independence. I will take them by force. Now, when I follow tweet, when I say international body, they tweet. Those are the tweet now. They tell the Republic Sovieti. Don't tell the Republic say them nothing win we. They will kill all we, but nothing win we. Now what I be talking about on show say if they want kill all we, me they say kill even the bird on sky. They say kill even the bird on sky. So now my advice that way I want game. Then I will go again. Man, see if I video join this one with the Bali. Yes, Batibo Bali now almost one neighboring villages. Yes, man, join the one Batibo Bali. For wait it happen for Bali, and the updates we'll get them from Bali. Fellow comrade, we don't see on social media. We don't see. Yeah, even though me, I be one of the advocates where I don't like video for fighters for social media, but we don't see that one. Me take that one, but we go talk. When I don't see apology, now which that we could say apology. When I don't see how the Bali fighters they will get a small problem. When I see how they resolve the problem and they come on social media for me and you, they apologize. That one, see, the highest apology for this world na social media. Where the top person say that the highest apology that for the whole world when you apologize for social media. You didn't apologize to massive talk for social media. For show your face for social media, apologize. Even God in heaven know that one. Because at times, even for God, if you apologize to God within you, God will search your mind for see if you return are true. Then He forgive you. But that one way it comes with social media, the world will see you. You tell them say you be sorry. I be sorry. We get a small problem. Even though we get casualties, me the problem end. And he end. And he the Helweti. They say they hail the LGAs. The Bali LGAs. Now the example that way, as a fighters, as a patriotic Ambazonian, where you hurt your brother, you get for apologize. When you do wrong, you go sleep your bed. You say you do wrong, you can't say you be sorry. The forward letter. Now he cure many things for this world. That was say, I'm sorry. When I see the example for fighters. So I want to give my thanks to the fighters of Bali. So we dealt with una 100% support. God will protect una as you open your mouth for social media. You pronounce that name. I apologize. You be sorry. God there with you 100%. God will protect you 100%. No man no go point guns. Even the enemy will be hurting. As you pronounce that name with your heart, so you be sorry. The enemy gone. If you want come, God will reveal for you. You see for your dream before you want think. So, fellow comrade, now the example that way we support for live for the revolution for rich boya. Now the example that and the system that way Ambazonian them they support for live. Now the system now our culture that you see the detail we say we get different culture with La Republic now because of that aspect where we respect the voice of the voiceless, we respect the masses, we respect the cry of the poor, we feel the passion for the needy, we feel the love for the poor, we feel the love for the widows. So now our own love that, now our own culture that, because we get the passion of love, we get the passion of love. That means we feel our neighbor is pain. We feel the one our friend is pain. That means when he get problem, we feel them. When our sister get a problem, we feel them. When our neighbor get a problem, we feel them. Now the culture that for Ambazonian, now our culture that. Now, whatever you see, this one war, it never end. Now, because we dey see feel our love, we dey see feel our concern, we dey see feel say we no be people of violence. Now, whatever we dey see dey backward, because our culture for ambassador that is Kiwi plenty. Because we dey see feel say our culture no be violence. For we will take gun, it no be our culture. Our culture. But they don't push we to the level where no way, no day. Now why we react? We react so that because these people don't push we to the level where we no day. You see, we talk about the Bamele case, me they leave our land. Ever since we start fighting war, never ever call Bamele case, me they leave our land. Now because of it, we don't think say enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Many people they go. More liberal and say me they come back. It not be our portion. We never ever think so. Ambassador, you know they so. But we don't think they say for liberate our homeland and they don't push it enough to the war. Me they go. They leave it alone. Move fight the fight. So fellow comrades, and the advice that way I get them for Guiam. For the people, my fighters, for my military, my ambassador military for Bali. Say I hail una, I praise una job well done. The world don't see him. Apology. It not be easy for a military man for apologize. Now never see the Republic military, everyone come on Facebook can apologize. Not easy. But when I see the way we caution our boys, when I see the way we educate them, we make them know say ambassador, not be military rule. Ambassador in a military can rule them. Now why do we see someone who will stick to institution, we not stick to individual, because we not believe say an individual can rule ambassador. We not believe say ambassador and a military go rule ambassador. Now why we caution our boys say, you tell them say the civilians now they get una in now una get the civilians. Now the civilians get una. So now more year for the civilians. So if you do mistake, the civilian they tell you say can't apologize. You like a military man, you will come for outside. You can apologize for the people. So you be sorry for what you do, and you know go do it next time again. Now the culture that to ambassador. Now the people of ambassador that. Now our culture that. So fellow comrades, I want to hail my boys them for the job well done. I want to talk again. We'll go now for the next topic now. Okay. The next topic now what the people of ambassador should know. Yes, me and you, fellow ambassadors, they never join the struggle. What way they get for no, as far as the struggle will be concerned, that one it will take we small time. Yes, it will touch the four corners of what way it happened for the revolution. And I think say now for day we will end the chapter. So fellow comrades, before I want to start this one, I want to talk to people the way they don't have a Facebook, it cost me. Say, you be doorman, you be thief, you be share farm before you go one man country. You be... So one say, he say, you know we construct a center for English. So one say, talk for English, no? I want to say, this La Republic fake profile. Because I get my man for you, he tell me, say, they be calling for Cameroon, me join the group for form a fake profile. People they say government be fine for they be they will know social media very well. For form a fake profile where they would attack ambassador. He can't do a day. He tell me he just come. He tell me say government government will define. He say so a man be go there. And today I think say they among one of them. Where government be fine, they know Facebook very well. They will attack ambassador them. You don't get fake profile. You can't attack me, say man talk English. One man talk English so that you will understand. You don't go understand. No one day. I know what you don't understand. Because fellow ambassadors, we not say La Republic not to know the what English fine. Yes, I want to tell you now. Well, they talk about pidgin. If they baffle them, you worry them. Now, by the way, plenty of them don't come my profile and say, man, I talk English, man, I talk English, man, I talk English. I know I talk English. I don't know me English. English don't be my mother tongue. I learn English, I learn them. And if I learn them, I don't know them. They thought it will be like me and my family. Say I don't know English. Yes. Yeah, if you have been write it down, it be enough. So we know that the kind of fake profile can coach people, you know abuse people, or now they have fake activism where they don't come because when they put the struggle for track, they don't form the profile too for that coach we. I tell them I say, we know how to talk the English. We don't know how we. But I want to tell them I say pidgin for ambassador na a language. Pidgin for ambassador na a language. Like it, you take them, you know, take them pidgin for ambassador na a language. When I mean for bush, we must communicate with them. I will communicate with them in a pidgin. In that fault, some of them they don't get the resources for go school. I will go please them for translate what they talk am for them for pidgin. No, I mammy them. You will not like your mommy for talk for you for pidgin. Go die. Me, I like my mommy. I will talk for you for pidgin. If you don't hear the thing for you for pidgin, you don't talk. If I don't know the talk, I will try to block him. Talk about him, understand. I don't know talk English. I don't know talk English. I will tell my mommy for pidgin. He understand the pidgin. He ask me say how the revolution is there. I go tell you for pidgin. My mommy don't know English. You know he crime. Yeah, he sent me for school. I will learn the school. I will block him for you. I talk about pidgin. So you know, especially me, I talk pidgin English with you. Go to the English for international diplomat the way when I go for diplomat office them. Now go talk English. Now write application them. Now go over that English. We don't have a revolution. Revolution in a half fluent. You be for talk English. Revolution in a half fluent. You feel write English. Revolution. Now strategy. Not being a how way you can't talk English. You broke grammar. No be revolution that. Now a strategy. If the people will hear the message, the people of Eritrea, they talk like on the talk. They be talk like on the talk so they win war. Eritrea, they be talk on the talk, they win war. So in a way, ambassador will talk pidgin. You can't fake profile. Say we talk English. We construct English. You be being a doorman. Yes, I've been a doorman. Who say I did now? I've been a doorman. Who say I did? You don't play door people in there. Go ask, don't ask your brother who say door people in there. So fellow comrade, now do the small distraction that way. You see where with the council they distract we a lot this. But that one we don't look at, we laugh. We don't look at that. So when you first talk, you don't go check your profile, equal profile for 2019. So why I want to check equal profile with this? So why I want to they even look at one step, the way they talk, you say if you laugh, you don't leave them. That one I don't distract on that. Don't forget that one that they will go now with the team profile. Proper. We'll go with proper business. Okay. I say one talk for what your ambassador I give for no. See, we don't see how every tactor. Okay, hey, I forget some big one. Before, sorry. I forget the plan. The plan where the one key free marshal. Yeah, very big. I forget that one. Look at that soon. Sorry. Yes. Before we go because that one na business proper way. We go address some people, call people their name. If we want die, they call all our name. We want the revolution go, but we must talk them. See, we don't watch video way, and we don't see messages. The plan way, we ambassador ourselves. We want kill our great Brigadier General Free Marshal. I didn't call him Free Marshal. I call Brigadier General Free Marshal of the Federal Republic of Ambazonia. The icon of Ambazonia. Person when military hear that name, it fear. Person where even Paul behalf a heart. He sleep, he dream. Free Marshal. He woke up with that dream. Start pray. Person where ministers them, they don't want to hear that name. Now we the people of Ambazonia, we claim say we belong to the struggle. Now we want plan to kill you. But what do I want to tell my fellow comrades, my fellow country people, they say the struggle, as we always talk, now God ordained struggle. Yes, now God ordained struggle because anything do I go be exposed. Anything do I go be exposed. Tapang Ivo, come for a show. If they talk na how he go reveal. See, my way they coach me coach her well. My way they want talk, he talk. Because we never just na the truth. Tapan Ivo need the work for the revolution. I want, if I talk this one, it's sorry with them. Una coach me. If followers them, una coach me, no problem. But what way I want to tell una for the revolution today say, we must reach Buea by force. That one, it will not judge no man. We must reach Buea by force and independence. We must get them. And the truth for the revolution must ever be prevail. Tapan Ivo, the lead place Free Marshal Day, and he don't even know play Free Marshal Day. But any kind of social media can't talk away, talk play with Free Marshal Day, and he say he talk with La Republic. Then the funniest way he do and say, he no go call behind. He talk publicly. He talk say he no go call behind. He go talk publicly. It means say he get phone. He get contact. Where he get up behind. He get contact behind. See, my fellow comrade, when we follow revolution, we keep follow. When person talk, we hold them, we analyze them. Because we operate like various school of thought. We digest, we debate. If he talk, not so bad. He say if he call behind, then he go talk publicly. How he do get contact behind? That means he get contact with La Republic. Now thing that was supposed to judge him. When you follow him, now call him actually say you don't talk say you not go talk behind. That means say you get contact behind. You say you go talk publicly. That means say you get contact behind. We start judge ourselves for no say this man. You fight for the revolution or not? Are you really for this revolution or you are fighting against us? Then we will start for open our mind, open our brain, for see the reality where it happened for the revolution. Man, if you know, see, I want to tell you one testimony for you. No man will be like Eric to pass me. If I told my brother, no. If you talk with you that time, me and you will get problem where you will not be there. Even time when Mark Barata come visit you here, we talk about Mark Barata. When Mark Barata come, he can visit you here for my city here. He can visit me for my city here. We talk about you. He talk about Eric. Me and you will get problem with that place. But I don't really follow you now because of he do it. I be follow you because of the way he take him for supporting. The strong government will get them. I be following her because of the government. I don't be following her because I don't be being a sorry giveaway. I be following because of the word because when I bear with me, I don't be editor with calls almost 3 times for video calls. I tell you, my brother, the way the government where you get them, you know if you castigate the government that way, you talk, then you know the way you talk for the government because when you sabotage the government, other people that will outside the ADF, they will take them like a witness for sabotage. I think I'll be telling you know. That my brother listening to me, he know where he put me a call. Now after that way, he can mess up. That my brother, I don't tell you, I don't want to catch you. Yes, because he not stand for the government. He stand for individual. Everything he stand say, he one alone. Where he talk, the whole ambassador will hear. But I don't be believe me so. I mean not say, if you talk Ayabacho because me, I don't be believe me for Ayabacho because Ayabacho na one man business. Now one man business. Anytime Ayabacho decide to say ambassador, he say ambassador. Now why don't believe me or he? And certainly he is good. He is certainly bad. I don't believe for him because if he say ambassador, anytime I don't believe for one man. I believe for government. Because it's not easy to convince all the cabinet for government. That's my one problem that. So when every time you can do that thing, I just now they were say this man he coach then I can follow it up. When this thing will Konegi be happen, I know say this man he dey follow the struggle. If he get one man for Konegi and a tribe man, of the way I don't boycott with you. So for the comrades, when I don't listen, when I don't watch the video, Tapang I will say if you Chris and make tick, he go make a key free marshal. He talk say if Chris and make tick call ADF in name, he go make a key free marshal. But I want to do one for ambassadors. I want to tell if Chris and get my voice. Anytime we talk TV, me call free marshal and me call ADF name. ADF not the Grand Zero. I tell you now. ADF not the Grand Zero. Then they make noise. We not forget that arrangement call the way when they do live show. They already prepare arrangement people they will call because I wait that they do now. See. We don't get people, don't call me. They tell me, say, this congregation don't say me call. I say, belong to, he say, it be the IG, they say me call for support them. Now, so they do now for Grand Zero. Then they beg views, and they beg people. Me people now, they call them for live show, they support their program, they say they call for Grand Zero. See, I get brothers, I get family. I feel still call them. I tell they say, I will do show, so time. Call. Don't say you do Grand Zero. You support the program. See that Chinese play the ambassador don't really wise all that program there. Ambassador don't really wise all those things. That thing they need to pay again. Now we need the truth and where we move forward. The command for Grand Zero. The command for Grand Zero at the internet government hold on. So I want to Christian to say, can call the ADF. They even told me to keep free marshal. He said now Christian will make the key Ivo. See, when the truth is not be spoken, even in height on that stone, I tell you something. When you dig ground, bury the truth. You know where you go expose the truth. If in a place where you cover stone, I say wedding, it will occur. That stone will shatter. The truth will be exposed. If you dig the ground, you bury them. Erosion or wind, you go pass. You go dig the ground, you go expose the truth. See, Ivo, General Ivo will die. People will talk, Ivo know the cause of his death. He and Ayabacho. That one, me no man no argue that one. I will know the cause of his death. He will die. He and Ayabacho, they know the cause of his death. We never see the audio. We never see audio where come out as a way. They are coming the agency. Agency hold a meeting. Audio where come out leak. Where agency hold a meeting, I will talk for them. That very night, I will tell them, say, you know, they fine. Say that I the worry. If this is a place, now very night the key I will. I want to tell you now. That I meet you the beholder, I will send an audio for that forum. If they tell they say, boss, if this is that I the worry, this, they kill that very night. So move forget that propaganda say the IG WWT. They not get talk or talk. But one day our IG say call ADF. Come on, live can say ADF has been banned. They must see our tapang. It will kill free marshal. It will kill our brigadier general free marshal. So now they talk the way I get them. Now the educative talk the way I get them for tell our brother Tapang Ivo. Where he start from the beginning for this revolution, he start embezzling money. From the beginning, he start embezzling money. Carry now. As I want to go to place, they don't hear. He want to go to place. He like go hang his now. He don't go hook now for ADF. He don't go hook now for ADF. Now they don't go form an alliance with the Eritato. I want to tell you, I say Eritato and Tapang I will never ever be friend. If you start judging yourself. Why do two people suddenly can become friends? You will not say something they cook behind. You will not say something they cook behind where they want using two guys them. Eritato. Now forget about Capo, Daniel, Factory Vela, all that small people. You don't know the master game. These two people, Eritato and Tapang Ivo, they get some game where they want cook them. For destroy the struggle. You don't tell The only thing they will connect, say, me they join together. Now, every time they come, they say, he support Ayabacho, he did for the struggle. Then, for certain people, they get followers. Because if you just come on the Yanis court, people are wise. People are wise. So, if you come now, in that small way, yes, if you don't come on the Yanis court, every year later, people are wise. The way, now the line that way, it go. Now the line that way, it go. So, fellow comrades, I will go now for the last chapter where I will say I get time for talk about the how what way our people they get for know. Yes. What way Ambazonia they get for know for the revolution. And the only way that we feel moving forward. Firstly, where Ambazonia is supposed to know for this revolution. Now where to belong. If you never identify yourself, where you belong, you will be confused. You will be carried away. You will be stranded. Because plenty Ambazonia, they be confused now for where to belong for this struggle. I tell you one or two because I don't want to plenty people. Even though the finish this show, so I get no less than how many friend requests where people they say now this and then people try to advise. See, Ambazonia they be confused for whose side to belong. Now the internet government, na Ayabacho, na Akwanga, na this. Fellow Ambazonians, I want to tell you and say today, mark my words, the only place na county by county. You are county by county. See, when I watch a video where you come over Batibo, now Batibo LGA. When I watch a video where you come over Bali, the Sereti, the Bali LGA. When I watch a video where you come over Babalang, the Koweti, now Babalang, they call it the Ngokuchida County. When I watch a video come over Meme, they call it Meme County. When I watch a video where you come over, see, where would one know who will belong? Move try to follow what will they happen for Ground Zero? Who the control Ground Zero? And who side Ground Zero will take that command? Now for there we will know who side where this revolution will go. We will see. We will not follow revolution for Facebook. We will not follow the revolution for Facebook. We try all means for follow the revolution for Ground Zero. We try to follow this revolution for Ground Zero. They will know how the revolution will go. Whose side it will go. The announce goes down. Ayabachoka announce his own. Okay. Ground Zero come out. It's already and it tell the instruction of the interim government. That one for Saturday we say the Ground Zero. He no say now one government is there. The Ground Zero no say Siseko dey for J. The Ground Zero no say Dr. Sako na be president. We forget social media because social media they confuse we, it over confuse we over. It over confuse people over. It make you now you get the low spirit for contribute for this revolution. The agency they tell me they say they want to raise $1 million. They want to raise $1 million. They want to raise $930,000 according to their report. Okay. I want to ask you to say they want me now who they raise the money. They want me now who they okay. Tapang I will say he want kill Free Marshal. They any kind of raising of fund. Some more raise fund get Tapang Ivo. Me go kill Free Marshal. When I see why some of we will say will not believe for individual, we will believe for institution because they will do anything they want to do because Tapang Ivo want with great money give me they go kill Free Marshal. Fellow ambassador will reach with me. That means any man will raise money give Tapang Ivo. Now say me Tapang Ivo now take that money buy more sophisticated weapon for go kill Free Marshal as I eat up. I don't tell the agency. The agency they don't hear. Una see am, Ayabacho is spokesman. Tapang Ivo is spokesman. He come on social media. Because Chris Anu, our communication secretary, he did our spokesperson. Anytime when Chris Anu come on social media, cause person say, Mami Pima, Mami Bombo, see that day he resign. Any day we come for our platform, our TV, cause person say, Mami Pima, Mami Bombo, Chris Anu will resign that very day. But when I see him, Tapang I will come for a platform because they no get a platform. I be spokesman for AGC. And they can't call people Imami Pima, Imami Bombo. That means say, now the nation that way Ayabacho one bilam. Now the county that way Ayabacho one bilam. Where is spokesman, he will come for TV and he coach people. Fellow Ambazonians. Una just take a look. Then Disney compole for Maryland, we call it Eritato. Eritato Totoreti. It be all. The most educated, the most handsome, the most this. And it come with social media too, because Ayabacho don't get two spokesperson. Eritato and Tapang Ivo. Now Ayabacho is two spokesperson. But them two, their voice, it be unable for beat or for put the Ambazonian internet government down. Now while they work, they cry on social media, they cry. Every day, Eritato is show now Sako and Chris Anu because what he don't get intelligence again. I be telling myself don't block intelligence. He show now for Chris Anu and this. We don't tell you say me concentrate for the Konenge IG respond. No ambassador no deny. Me respond for liberate Seseko Iwan. Why ambassador fight will liberate the other people. Me stop for can castigate our interim government because the government you know if you work for a tune. The interim government not if you work for a tune because now don't watch all the videos. The audio they come out Konenge. I don't need for tell now. Una don't watch show them for Prince Jeka, Dancho Nelson, Ochemba. Una don't watch they are show them. Una don't see for una self how Konenge IGD operates. Una don't see how for una self how the Konenge IGD operates. So fellow Cameroonians, Ambazonians. Sorry, that name Cameroonian. Fellow Ambazonians. Una bear with me say these two activists, what they call as activists, they be compromised. They be compromised. I want to tell you say they be compromised because Tapang Ivo is shown to sabotage the struggle. It don't take the name of the AGC, ADF for hook on, but it get emission. Yeah, Eritato. When I ask myself, say when Eritato and Tapang Ivo are joint friend, until they said they will meet for Maryland for disturb the struggle. When I will ask myself that question, when I know say these two people, these two activists, they don't be compromised. See, every time they don't take money, or they never give the money finish. Now you don't confuse. La République est where you work here. La République est where you work. All will bear. When I see how the internet government interview the other minds, they know if you talk no, Ibabu. That was the watch. I don't tell my man say forget. I don't tell my man say leave that story. The man say I said Christian will finish we. I said Christian will finish we. The ambassador will finish we. That means they ask the question not even reply. The landed man though, now he be very landed. But we don't come for our platform ABC TV, where Christian will be concerned, the voice of the revolution. See, Ibabu will what? You know, we talk. I don't say you don't go sleep with you don't get bad dream there because they challenge you. Then Our people, they were ground zero, they call that, in short, you see the spirit, the love of the people. So, fellow Ambazonians, this Eritato stuff, where it for Maryland, in the work at this place, is that they be the most landed activists, now be the most highest activists, now be the most, it's and Amos. I want to tell you one thing. If you don't know what are the internet government they work, you need to work. You now begin follow ABC TV. You now see the educative program the way they come for ABC TV. You now see what way Christian will do. Okay. I want to quote a small example. La République du Cameroun. I want to quote a small example. I beg, me not be say they take the show too long. But I want to tell our people, me that mind they be open. You now take example. La République du Cameroun. This coronavirus, where look at it disturb the world. Presidents for the nation them, and experts, doctors, they don't should not for press. They analyze how the virus there, how people going to do, how people will do. But La République never do them. He only say he send minister can't impose, can't talk this. They never say no expertise, like doctor, me can't talk. But when I see what will happen for Ambazonian, they say we rule government for Facebook, yes. But that government for Facebook don't tell you, me and you, they don't teach you plenty things them. When I watch the program with ABC TV, when I see doctors them, where they can stand, now they for America where every time today. They never have America where every time today. When I see people behind the scene, no. When I see landed intellectuals behind the scene, they be quiet. They come. Now when it be necessary, say me they come. We can educate the public. When I say well, they educate the public about the coronavirus. When I compare the two nations, when I compare CRTV and ABC TV, when I compare how many doctors they almost should know with CRTV where the coronavirus or where it take place for educate the population. But when I see what ABC TV, it tell our people then. It broke and down for the local pigeon where they talk as well. People they coach me. It broke and down for the local pigeon. Me then they will sell, but people they do forest. You will not go school, not be say they are fault. You be citizen of Ambazonia. You go here, they take precaution. You take a precaution. You go take a precaution. Now compare the two government. People they can show me that they make noise. They heritage of them for Maryland in the country TV. I be say me they step down the TV. See, I'm not telling you, I said this boy. See, anything will be good. See, if you editor to decide today, can post anything where it be good to the revolution. Where you go a success and it clean like. I said bro courage. Anything where it can do away, it go to lead to the pathway for independent. And the click, I say bro, I click like, there I go right on, I say bro courage. Till we meet Iboya. Because you don't take upon yourself. Now we destabilize the government when the people believe in. For destabilize the government when the trust of the people, the 8 million people. Now you don't take upon yourself, say, you go destroy with you, with the amount of Konenge. C'est ce qu'on tell for Konenge, say the highest thing. Now we destabilize internet government because c'est ce qu'on play a part. For destabilize the government. C'est ce qu'on play a part. For crumble the government, it no work. But what will happen? The people of Ambazonia stand focused and stand determined for taking our internet government naive and he no be rule for Konenge. He don't go use Ibayangi lawyer. He don't go use Ibayangi countryman. Now when I see my show today, I play Bayangi music because I don't school for Manfe. I don't school for Manfe. Yes, I know how Manfe people operate. Manfe people are very good people, very nice people. So I don't know how this man, and this is suspect. I don't know how every time to come out because Bayangi man a very good man. That one, the facts be clean and clear, very open people. I don't school for Manfe. You want to delay the views of Manu people. Una don't listen that audio for Mama Itenge no. Una don't listen them. He said the Bayanga people they rise up because every time the one push Bayanga people that their pride, yes people, the people not the Bayanga people they like yes. Every time the one push them down because of one man in on the whole Manu County are the biggest county for the whole southern zone. Now it is the biggest county for the whole southern zone. Every time he won, if you put the whole Manu County, every time that woman also say me all my rise together as one mob for take every time to say the revolution name like papa property. The revolution no na small village come one outside. The revolution of Ambazonia. So me stop that noise. Now don't listen to the audio. Mama Itenge na he talk so. Very soon na every okaka conscious mama pima na prostitute in the camp. Na no wait. He show. So tell them what listen to audio. Very soon he okaka kochi. He might be pima. He might be this. He might be this. Na prostitute. Na this. Because we expect all those coaches for you for come. Now we don't really know say na so it day. So no need. They will tell you in listener you can coach. No problem. Mama Itenge will send more audios and you will mobilize and have a ground zero. Mama he talk for diaspora, he talk for ground zero. Now ground zero, the voice of the people for ground zero. Now he tell every time to that talk. Send me every time to talk for disgrace Manu people. Because Manu people now, honorable people now, people they will pride, now people will yes. Any Manu man will know. We know Manu people. All we know, all we Ambazonians, we know our various ethnic tribe. We know ourselves. Yes, we know ourselves. You will tell me say, Bakosi man, na how they will talk. Oroko man, na how they will talk. Banso man, na how they will talk. Bakibo man, na how they will talk. Manko man, na how they will talk. So all we Ambazonians will know ourselves. When they talk, we know Manu man and man of yes, Manu man and man of pride. And that pride in an individual pride. Me every time not take a pride, say it be buying Manu one. They were kill the struggle. Manu people don't deny. I tell you that one say Manu people don't deny. Why don't they move for Manu County? It's not there for Manu County. Now if you study initiative of county by county, you will hail for that one. But it's not there for Manu County because you can't divide Manu County. Say me Konenge Manu County the one get Konenge Manu County. Konenge Manu County. They won't get them because of Eritato. So don't tell me stop. Because I want everyone to say we no use this pretext for Eritato stop. We start look many people like different people are lie. All many people 95% of them are against Eritato. I want to tell you fellow ambassador 95% of many people they are against Eritato. 95. We never group them. 95 they against Eritato. So usually say and they kick against Siseko waiting for that jail because Siseko not supposed to rule for jail. Now all ambassadors problem that before you see all the problems work come also they start say don't take money, you don't do so. Now because he want powers, he want rule for jail. No man no hate he. No man no hate Siseko. Now because he want rule for jail, he want take all that for jail because so small kabay. So small kabay they want hijack the struggle. Then the fool Siseko. I only fall for the trap. As I don't fall for the trap now, all that for you. Yes, that's small kabay. When they fully he enter that trap, they forget about the will of the people. Now that you don't go. Now that you don't go no. Now you don't go. Now remember that way they want carry Siseko to go court. All ambassador, all man he cry. He come. People ask say the hard court day. You never show picture. You see only Siseko wear t-shirt. He show only blue for here. You know ambassador for years. They start point them. They say that blue, that small blue inside that so it make it indication it be ambassador. It indication it be ambassador. Now the yes that way it be there. That way Barrister John show them. You see the yes way it be there. La Republic be the panic. That way they be carrying the go court. You see La Republic panic because the yes way ambassador be whole at that time. The unity be there. But you don't do it. Small kabay for South Africa don't make it for trap. Small kabay for South Africa make it for trap. Now go it don't go so. Now go it don't go so. So when I tell every time to say, Mama Itenge don't tell say, Me stop for disgrace Manu people. Because Manu people are people of dignity, are people of pride. Me stop for disgrace Manu people. Yes. And so all the old boys don't say, don't try don't wash Mami they for Ground Zero, don't wash your towel to travel his skin. So automatically Mami they bound you for Ground Zero. So na own that because when they talk so, when we listen the audio, you can start what they say, prostitute, this, they be sleep with Chris Anu, they be do this. Any man get personal life. Yes. Any man you get a personal life. No man you can't sit down and sleep with your woman. No man you don't sit down and sleep with your girlfriend. No man be sit down and beat you for boy away you thief na laptop. That one their personal life. We talk about the revolution. Talk the revolution. Talk about personal life. Talk about the revolution. Educate the people where to get them. Say your product. You be country by country will be initiated by the internal government. You promote them. Yes. Come with another objective. If you come anything good, we'll hail you. Stop with propaganda because they want to support one man in jail. So if you're telling me to take for jail, remember that jail, me and Ambassador get independent. I will just say, me come me and Ambassador get independent. I will say, me remember that me and all Ambassador get independent. He passed 8 million people. He passed 8 million people. So he want take freedom for sale we. He want take freedom for sale the whole Ambassador. He want take freedom for sale the whole Ambassador. Una tell me stop that rubbish because Tapang I will person way don't be even though because they don't bound the Ground Zero. Tapang I will never enter Ground Zero self. So if you talk that I talk them. Yes. So fellow comrades, now wait that way I get on today for share with the people of Ambazonian. So thank you very much for watching. I want to salute my viewers the way they share. I want to salute every man radio on board. Thank you very much. I want to tell you I say the revolution they on track. I want to use the opportunity too for thank President Jeka, Paul Lilong, Ochemba Nelson, Nancho Nelson. So now they saw the revolution will be stay focused, stay fast. Because if we start for the Dima, the revolution so with Dima. But since the Ground Zero they focus, all we do social media we will say stand focus. Especially the initiative where President Jeka he bring her up for 5 euros for fighters. I want beg anybody watch me say it be a good initiative for support the project every day for 5 euros for fit our fighter because just a 5 euros for fit our fighters. 5 euros is equivalent I call euros here but yeah 5 euros is equivalent to at least 3,000 something for Ground Zero. Just imagine. So if you don't move even 5 euros because we know say all man they contribute for various county LGAs by LGAs. But the one just a gesture where you do one for promote the 13 counties. Yeah, promote because we know say any man they support the county by county. The one is just a gesture and a time we can we will support our internal government for our lawyers even though we don't get a call way every time we call for Ambassador Fosong, the ask Ambassador Fosong why it be possible for this. So na own place now we go find the archives. So fellow comrades, we stand focus, we support our internal government, we support our LGAs, now the way forward that so that our boys if we down, they will feel our impact. Thank you very much.